Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. This is part 2 of our proper cleaning of your car. We're here to provide you with more valuable insights and techniques to help you keep your car looking pristine. In this segment, we'll delve into advanced cleaning methods and additional tips. Rinse and dry the car. After scrubbing the car body and cleaning the wheels, it's important to rinse off any remaining soap residue. Use clean water to thoroughly rinse the car, ensuring all the soap is washed away. Finally, use a microfiber towel or a chamois to dry the car, starting from the top and working your way down. This will help prevent water spots and streaks. Remember, regular exterior car cleaning not only keeps your car looking its best, but it also protects the paint and finishes from damage. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your car stays clean, shiny, and in great condition for years to come. Interior car cleaning. Keeping the interior of your car clean is not only important for aesthetics but also for maintaining a healthy and comfortable environment while driving. A clean interior can enhance your overall driving experience. In this section, we will discuss the different steps involved in properly cleaning the interior of your car and ensuring a fresh and tidy space. Remove trash and clutter. The first step in cleaning the interior of your car is to remove any trash and clutter. Take a few moments to collect and dispose of any garbage or items that may have accumulated over time. This includes food wrappers, empty bottles, and any other debris. Keeping your car free of clutter will not only make it easier to clean but also create a more organized and spacious environment. Vacuum the interior. Once you have removed the trash and clutter, it's time to give your car's interior a thorough vacuuming. Start by removing the floor mats and vacuuming them separately. Use a handheld vacuum or a vacuum cleaner with appropriate attachments to clean the seats, carpets, and floorboards. Pay special attention to hard-to-reach areas, such as the gaps between seats and under the pedals. Vacuuming will help remove dust, dirt, and particles that can accumulate over time. Wipe down surfaces. After vacuuming, it's essential to wipe down all surfaces in your car's interior. Grab a microfiber cloth and a cleaning solution suitable for the specific surfaces of your car, such as vinyl, leather, or fabric. Begin by wiping the dashboard, center console, and door panels. Then move on to the seats, steering wheel, and gear shift. Make sure to clean all the nooks and crannies, as well as the buttons and knobs. Wiping down surfaces will remove any dirt, grime, or fingerprints, leaving them looking clean and refreshed. Clean the windows and mirrors. Clear and spotless windows and mirrors are crucial for good visibility while driving. To clean them effectively, use a glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Spray the cleaner onto the cloth, not directly onto the glass, to avoid streaks. Wipe the windows and mirrors in a back-and-forth motion until they are completely clean. Don't forget to clean both the interior and exterior surfaces. Clean windows and mirrors will not only improve visibility but also enhance the overall appearance of your car. Freshen up the interior. To complete the interior cleaning process, it's time to freshen up the space. Use an automotive air freshener or fabric spray to eliminate any unwanted odors and leave a pleasant scent inside your car. Additionally, consider using odor-absorbing products, such as activated charcoal, to keep your car smelling fresh for longer periods. Regularly ventilating your car by rolling down the windows can also help circulate fresh air and reduce odors. By following these interior car cleaning steps, you can maintain a tidy and inviting space for your driving pleasure. Remember to clean your car's interior regularly to prevent dirt buildup and ensure a clean and comfortable driving environment. Detailing and finishing touches. When it comes to cleaning your car, the detailing and finishing touches are what truly make it shine. In this section, we will explore the various steps involved in achieving a polished and pristine finish for your beloved vehicle. Polish and wax the car. One of the most important steps in achieving a showroom-worthy shine is to polish and wax your car. Start by thoroughly washing the exterior to remove any dirt and grime. Once the car is clean and dry, apply a high-quality car polish using a soft microfiber cloth. This will help remove any imperfections and restore the paint's luster. After polishing, it's time to apply a protective layer of wax. Choose a wax that suits your car's specific needs, whether it's a liquid or paste form. Apply the wax in small circular motions, covering the entire surface of the car. This will create a protective barrier against UV rays and environmental contaminants, and help to maintain the paint's color and shine. Clean the headlights and taillights. Headlights and taillights not only play a crucial role in ensuring your safety on the road but also contribute to the overall appearance of your car. Over time, they can become cloudy and dull due to oxidation and environmental factors. To restore their clarity and brightness, start by washing them with soapy water and a soft cloth. For stubborn grime or yellowing, you can use a specialized headlight restoration kit or toothpaste and a toothbrush to gently scrub the surface. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a clean cloth. Finish off by applying a protective coating to prevent future oxidation and maintain the light's clarity. Condition the leather seats if applicable. If your car has leather seats, it's essential to keep them well maintained to preserve their luxurious look and feel. Start by vacuuming any debris or crumbs from the seats. Then, using a high-quality leather cleaner, apply a small amount to a clean cloth and gently rub it onto the seats in a circular motion. This will help remove any dirt or stains. Once the seats are clean and dry, apply a leather conditioner to keep the leather supple, prevent cracking, and enhance its natural luster. Be sure to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer for best results. Treat the dashboard and trim. To complete the overall clean and polished look of your car's interior, it's important to pay attention to the dashboard and trim. Begin by wiping down the dashboard and trimming it with a soft microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris. For stubborn stains or grime, you can use a mild cleaning solution specifically formulated for automotive interiors. Be cautious not to use any abrasive cleaners that may damage the surfaces. Once clean, apply a non-greasy protectant to restore shine and protect against fading or cracking caused by sun exposure. Apply a car air freshener. After all the hard work of cleaning and detailing your car, don't forget the finishing touch that creates a pleasant and inviting environment: a car air freshener. Choose a scent that appeals to your personal preference and place it in a designated spot inside the car. This will help eliminate any lingering odors and keep your car smelling fresh and clean. Incorporating these detailing and finishing touches into your cleaning routine will give your car that extra sparkle and make it look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Take pride in maintaining the cleanliness and appearance of your vehicle by following these steps, and you'll be rewarded with a car that stands out wherever you go. In conclusion, proper cleaning of your car is essential to maintain its appearance and protect its value. By following a few simple steps, you can ensure that your car stays clean and pristine for years to come. Start by gathering the right materials, such as car shampoo, microfiber cloths, and a soft bristle brush. Next, thoroughly rinse your car to remove any loose dirt or debris. Then, use the car shampoo and brush to gently scrub the surface, paying special attention to areas with stubborn stains or grime. Finally, rinse off the soap and dry your car with a clean microfiber cloth to prevent water spots. Remember, regular cleaning not only keeps your car looking great, but it also helps to prevent rust and other damage. So, make sure to set aside some time for car cleaning and enjoy the benefits of a sparkling ride. Thank you for tuning in to part 2 of our series. We hope you now have a comprehensive understanding of how to properly clean your car to maintain its appearance and value. If you found this content valuable, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Stay informed and make the best choice for your automotive needs. Until next time, happy driving. Thank you for watching.